Causes of water pollution. The main causes of water pollution are most often man-made and caused by increasing industrialization and human activities. Mostly the water bodies get polluted with municipal, industrial and agricultural waste and their unplanned leaking, runoff, dumping and disposal. Usually every water body has a certain capacity to clean itself by diluting and breaking down some pollutants if given enough time. This receiving capacity of pollutants by the water bodies without damaging its original water quality is known as the assimilative capacity of the water body. But if the amount of pollutants exceeds the assimilative capacity of any water body, then the dumped or disposed waste may be carried away by the current but will reappear in the downstream in a diluted or changed form. The causes of water pollution based on origin. Point source. Point source of pollution is generated from a definite identifiable source like the discharge pipe of domestic or industrial sewage to a water body. Non-point source. Usually the source of those pollutants are not easy to identify and hence difficult to regulate. Some of the major causes of water pollution. Domestic sewage. Domestic sewage or municipal wastewater or waste stream generated through household activities and in general contains feces, urine and laundry wastes. Untreated or undertreated domestic sewage may contain harmful waterborne disease causing microorganisms, diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid, cholera etc., oxygen-depleting organic substances and toxic hazardous inorganic substances. The higher the organic waste concentration of the sewage, the more polluted the water bodies will be. Again, domestic sewage contains inorganic substance like phosphorus and nitrates. These increase amounts of nutrients, cause unwanted algal bloom and eutrophication in ponds and lakes. They also diminish the water quality for fish, other aquatic communities and make it unsuitable for any other aesthetic uses. Industrial wastewater. Wastewater generated through industrial manufacturing and processing known as industrial wastewater. The sources of industrial wastewater includes iron and steel industry, mines and quarries, food industry, chemicals industry, nuclear and radioactive waste industry, and wastewater from cleanup of petroleum and chemically contaminated sites. If these waste streams find their ways to natural water bodies untreated or undertreated, it will be hazardous not only to human and other living organism but to the whole ecosystem as well. Agricultural waste and runoff. The excessive amount of nutrients in the fertilizer can cause eutrophication in the surface water and nitrate toxicity in the groundwater. Acid rain. Toxic chemicals like sulfur and nitrogen oxides enter the atmosphere through the various emissions of industry and automobiles. These chemicals combine with atmospheric water to produce acids like sulfuric and nitric acids. These acids get mixed with the rainwater and reduce its pH value below the normal clean rainwater. Generally, when the pH value of rainwater gets less than 5.3, it is considered acidic. When acid rain falls on the lakes and rivers, it makes the water body acidic. Thank you for watching.